everyone, I am Sivaranjani, Assistant Professor, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about Professional English for Commerce and Management. In this, first we are going to see what is communication. Listening is the process of receiving and responding to spoken messages. Listening is the main tool of communication, and it is not just hearing what the other person says, but actually refers to understanding what is being said. Essential elements of listening are receiving, hearing what is said, understanding, comprehend what is heard, responding, acknowledge the speaker by nodding, and last, remembering, reproduce the crux of what is heard. Next, we are going to see what is role of communication. In the business organization, listening plays a important role in maintaining healthy relationship among workers, between employees and management, and also between company and customer. Active listening and maintaining eye contact are essential to reduce conflict and to build trust. Be clear about your mission. Set specific goals by breaking the mission. Check your sales activities. Be persuasive. Fulfill customer need. Increase average sales. Create conducive environment, and ask and listen to the customer and then act. These are the few tips of role of communication. Then we are stepping next to listening, speaking. Branding is important in speaking, whereas customers are told what to expect from your company through its brand. Your brand is your company's connection to its consumers and other businesses. That is why what a company claims, their brand message must match with how the company actually operates every day. Positive thoughts or experiences with their brand often lead to brand loyalty, which frequently results in an increase in sales. Like the same, in this increasing competitive auto market, the fight for customers' attention and businesses getting more and more competitive. You can stand apart from other companies by maintaining a stellar brand image, customer service, blogging, a social mission statement, and consistent messages on social media can all be beneficial for your brand. You should continuously strive to improve your brand's image. Next, we are going to see about the important consistency. Consistency is achieved when your company's daily actions concur with your brand's image. For automobile franchises, the biggest aspect of consistency involves communicating with their customers at the dealership. When customers anticipate service similar to what your mission statement and advertisements claim, if they don't receive that level of service, then their expectations are not met. Because of this, customer satisfaction goes down, and a word of mouth marketing may not work in your favor. That's why consistency among all workers is important. While a logo, color scheme, and website layout are not the most vital parts of a brand's image, they must be consistent with your company's message in order to be effective. whenever an interaction, an advertisement, or a website layout doesn't coincide with the company's brand, then that brand's power and credibility get weakened. Company consistency does not mean conformity. Conformity is not needed for a company's brand to be powerful. In fact, today's culture thrives on individuality. Consistency, however, is needed. As like consistency, authenticity is very important. Studies show that being honest about products and services available is even more important than product utility and social significance. People care about how their products are made and whether companies are willing to be transparent about their business practices. It is very difficult to gain customer loyalty and trust without credibility. People are hesitant to trust any company or any person without knowing their story. Authenticity is about knowing your audience and delivering straightforward messages to them. Building credibility is one of the most beneficial things as a company can do for its brand in today's market. Pull marketing. We can see pull marketing. Most industries rely on push marketing to sell products. This can be effective with some products, but it's hard to do with vehicles. Pushing someone to buy a car is likely not going to be very effective. I know what you're thinking. Then, how are we supposed to get new customers? The answer seems simple: build up your brand. The same well as you guess it, it's not that simple. It requires time, it requires focus, effort, and above all, it requires more money. The point of full marketing is to make consumers come to you. To make it happen, you have to focus on building credibility of the company, this expertise in the field, and value for the customer. Focusing on strengthening the reputation of your brand should not be seen as insignificant. It may not lead to new clients right away, but pull marketing is more sustainable and less time consuming than push marketing. The auto industry is individualizing vehicles more and more, but you must ensure that your brand and its message remain intact. Customization is important because it lets consumers choose exactly what they want. You should strive to make the overall experience that people get from any interaction with your company align with your brand and its reputation. Consistency and authenticity throughout your entire company are needed in order for you to pull consumers to your brand. In the field of business, speaking is a key skill that helps one to express oneself clearly and thus be successful. Moreover, to buy and sell goods, to ask for good quality, and to be assertive, one should be able to articulate boldly and confidently. An attractive business idea, capital, and other resources are essential to start a business. If you have the willpower, anything and everything is possible. Last, we can see about mobile banking. Mobile banking is a boon in this digital world since it allows the customer to conduct transaction remotely using a mobile service like smartphone, tablet, etc. Banks provide impressive apps to carry out transactions at any time. Check deposit, transferring money, account balance viewing, and paying for merchandise is quite easy with mobile banking. It can be conducted only from one specific device which has a SIM card whose number is registered with the bank. Mobile app enhances the speed and flexibility. Mobile application itself checks, updates, it is available at all 24 hours. Okay, mobile banking is more secure than internet banking. As we saw all full banking, then consistency, like the same mobile banking, we can see the rest second part in the next video. Thank you for watching this.